I hate it when Amazon sellers attack other Amazon sellers, and if you have been abused by another seller, this video is for you. Okay, Amazon sellers, so it is not uncommon. In fact, it is becoming more and more common for Amazon sellers to go after other Amazon sellers. And I'm not just talking about what went on in the indictment in Seattle where people were paying money to have other people taken down. I'm talking about more basic things like one seller making a baseless copyright complaint against another. One seller having his or her staff or family or even himself buy the products and then return them and making all sorts of claims. It happens all the time and I wish it would stop. So what do you do as an Amazon seller? Well, I'm going to talk to you today about a case that Brianna London, one of our awesome paralegals, how she won a case where one seller made a baseless copyright complaint against another seller. And by the way, before we get into it, if you want a book on copyright law as it pertains specifically to you, here is our book, and you can get it for donating just $1 to a fantastic foundation. Go to this portion of our website. So what did Brianna do? Well, number one, Brianna did the research. Was that copyright complaint valid or was it baseless? And guess what? It was totally baseless. Then Brianna wrote to the complainant, who we knew was another Amazon seller, and said, hey, you got to retract this complaint or we're coming after you for these claims and we will be compelled to report you to Amazon ourselves, even if that means going through their outside counsel. And guess what happened? They retracted the complaint. Our seller is selling products at the same time that you are watching this video. We won the case, and I kind of suspect that that seller, that black hat, dirty trick seller, is going to stop screwing around with making baseless copyright complaints against other sellers, and I don't think he's ever going to mess with any one of our clients. You want to learn more how we fight tooth and nail for every single one of our clients? Contact me in any one of these 4 ways, and either me or a member of my team will get back to you as soon as possible.